This question is asking us to find the midpoint of points 1 and 2. So point 1, 2, and also minus 8 and 5. So at the top here. Minus 8 and 5. Okay, so we don't really need to visualize this, but sometimes it helps because when we draw a triangle here, we'll say the rise is purple, and we'll say the run is the blue. Okay, so what we can say is the midpoint will occur halfway between each of those, here and here. All right, let's start with the equation. So the midpoint is equal to x1 plus x2 all divided by 2, and y1 plus y2 all divided by 2 again. So what we're saying is if we start off with the x's, it's that minus 8, or we could say even 2 to begin with, minus 8 all divided by 2. All right, and so that will give us minus 6 divided by 2, which is minus 3. So minus 6 divided by 2, and that is equal to minus 3. And we can see by looking at the equation, yeah, that looks about right. Somewhere here. Now the next one is the y component of that. So that's the 2 plus the 5 all divided by 2. And when we have a look at it, we're like, yeah, it needs to be somewhere between that 5 and 2, kind of sitting roughly towards that 3 area here. So when we do it, we get 7 divided by 2. And for maths, this is the final step here. This step here in purple, that is our midpoint. But 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. Okay? And so we can see that 3.5 and this one here, somewhere here, that is in fact going to be the midpoint. So this equation is key. Just remember this one. All right? It's half of everything. You add everything together, divide it by 2. And there's your answer.